America's next top dog in training. Right, Lovey? You're just taking a little rest. And then we're going to start training. Right? Do you want to go to America's Next Top Dog? Huh? You'll be the underdog, but you'll win.
Underdog, but the overdog. Corny. So you're gonna get up and we're gonna practice in the pool. We go practice for the scent. Looks like you're having a good time. Oh, look,
That guy just
practicing. He's practicing. You ready for the next top dog?
The owner's an idiot.
I think Romeo's ready. He's ready to practice, babe.
Oh, the guy's like, about time, dude. The dog is smarter than the owner.
Let's go. Let's go, Romeo. Time to practice.
This guy's not gonna win.